Hello everyone, this is part 2. What we're going to do is go to our 3D view and we're going to show how these objects are parametric, which means that they can be changed very easily without the user really knowing how to do any advanced modeling. So we're going to zoom in on the X seal and we can see that its prongs are sized appropriately, it's attached in the right place. I've chosen to show the continuous wire, which I can turn off if I don't want that seismic wire in there. So what I'm going to do is select my insulation. I'm going to select all of the insulation in the project, and I see that it's a 1-inch thickness. So what I want to do is go to my rigid insulation. Let's say I'm going to change it to 2 inches. So boom, there it goes. It gets a lot thicker, and now what I notice is that my X seal needs to be the proper X seal for that application. So I've provided all of the available sizes of X seal. I'm going to choose the 2-inch and its prongs size appropriately. Now what I do notice is that my airspace hasn't really been adjusted, so I'm going to move into here, into the section. I'm going to grab this handle here. I need to zoom in a little bit. Let's grab this. And right now we've got a 0-inch airspace, which doesn't make any sense, so we're going to change that to 1 inch. We can see that the airspace is adjusted. I'm going to move to a base detail. And now the only thing I'd like to see is I'd like to see if maybe if I change the actual prong depth, I might get a more appropriate. Right now I've got a little bit too much area there, so I'm going to change my Binalock, which is totally parametric and adjustable also. And now we see instantly we've got that object in there properly. Let's go to our 3D view. Now I'm going to select all these again. I'm going to edit the type of them. I'm going to move down, and I see here I've got continuous wire option. Now I've made sure that my continuous wire is going to show up. So let's zoom out to the entire view, and that's an example of how we can very easily adjust the product to be appropriate for the wall system being used.